Okay, so you are on TikTok and you just got the "you're following too fast" message. Can you do something about it? Yes, you can. So give this video a like because each like helps me out a lot. So, how do you fix the TikTok "you're following too fast" issue? Well, this will happen when you're just scrolling on TikTok and following a lot of people. Maybe you're doing this because you just genuinely like the person, but chances are you're doing this because you want to grow with follow and follow, kind of like what people do on Instagram, right? But on Instagram, you have action blocks, and to prevent bots like Jarvie and other social media bots that I do not recommend you use currently, to grow your following by a follow and follow. So normally on Instagram, what you would do is be capped out at 200 actions per day to be safe and 30-ish follows per hour combined with other activities. So if you actually want to grow with follow and follow, don't really listen to any of the tips you saw online. What you can do is change actions. For example, if you watch 5 videos, don't follow each of the people. Follow one of them, then like, then comment, and try not to follow more than 30 people per hour. So this is my tip, and if this video helped you out, give it a like because this can help you fix the "you're following too fast" problem. See you next video. Bye.